Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, class 2. In maths, today a topic is addition of three-digit numbers. Today we will read page number 33, 34 and 35. And we will read page number 32 later, inshallah. After watching this lesson, students will be able how to add three-digit numbers, how to convert ones, how to put ones in the tens column. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's add all together 132 and 241. Here we have one box of 100, then 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks of tens, and 1, 2, 2 blocks of ones. We have one box of 100, so here in abacus we will put one bead on 100 rod. Then we have 3 blocks of tens, so in tens rod we will put 3 beads, and have 2 ones, so on ones rod we will put 2 beads. Now we have 100, 3 tens and 2 ones, which makes 132. Then we have 1, 2, 2 blocks of hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 blocks of tens, and 1 block of 1. We have 2 blocks of hundreds, so here in abacus we will put 2 beads on hundreds rod. Then 4 tens blocks, so in tens rod we will put 4 beads, and have 1 block of ones, so in ones rod we will put 1 bead. Now let's add. Start with ones. When ones will add into 2, what number will come? Yes, 3. We get 3 on ones. We get 3 on ones, so here we have 3 ones blocks. And on abacus, ones rod we will put 3 beads. Now add tens. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So we get 7 tens. So here we put 7 tens blocks. And on tens rod we will put 7 beads. Now add hundreds. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. We get 300. So here we will put 3 blocks of hundreds, and we'll put 3 beads on hundreds rod. So after adding these numbers we will get 373. Now add these. Start with ones. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So here we will write 6. Now add 3 into 6. What number will come? Yes, 9. Now add 2 into 5. The number comes 7. Now add this. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Now add tens. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Now add hundreds. There is 6 and have nothing to add in this. So here we will write 6 as it is. Now add this. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Now add hundreds. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So here we solved these questions. Now in this example we will add hundreds with converting ones. Let's add all together 267 and 115. So let's start. First we have 1, 2. 2 boxes of hundreds. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks of tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks of ones. Then we have 1 box of hundreds, 1 block of tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks of ones. Now add them all. Start with ones. First there are 7 ones, then 5 more ones. So how many ones are there altogether? Yes, 12 ones. Now add tens. There are 6 tens and 1 more. So how many total tens are there? Yes, 7 tens. Now add hundreds. 200 boxes and 1 more 100 box. So there are total 300 boxes. Here are 12 ones. Keep in mind that we cannot write 12 in ones because 12 is greater than 9. Then what will we do? Yes, here we will change 10 ones to 1 10. Let's see. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. 12 means 110 2 ones. So here we will write 2 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 6 equals to 7 and 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Now add hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the answer after conversion is 300, 8 tens to ones. Or we can say that the answer is 382. Now add these. 9 plus 6 equals to 15. 15 means 110 5 ones. So here we will write 5 ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Now add hundreds. Here is 5 and nothing to add in this. So here we will write 5. Now add this. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. So here we will write 6 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now add hundreds. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Now add this. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So here we will write 0 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. But here is 0. So we cannot put 110 on 0. We will put 110 on 7. Now add them all. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Now add hundreds. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Now in this example we will do addition with word problems. The first question is, Saima has 151 stamps. She collects 109 more. How many stamps does she have altogether? साइमा के पास 151 स्टैम्प्स हैं. वो 109 और स्टैम्प्स कलेक्ट करती है. अब यहाँ पर हमें ये मालूम करना है कि साइमा के पास टोटल कितने स्टैम्प्स हैं. साइमा टोटल कितने स्टैम्प्स रखती है. So let's find out. Here we will add to find how many stamps does Saima have. Let's add. 1 plus 9 equals to 10. Here we will write 0 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 5 equals to 6 and 6 plus 0 equals to 6. Now add hundreds. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It means Saima has 260 stamps. Now here is another question. Mazhar is reading a storybook. On Saturday, he read 244 pages. And on Saturday, 126 pages. How many pages did he read over the weekend? मज़हर एक स्टोरी बुक की रीडिंग कर रहा है. सैटरडे को वो स्टोरी बुक के 244 पेजेस रीड करता है और संडे को 126. तो पूरे वीकेंड में इसने कितने पेजेस पढ़े? Let's add to find out. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. We will write 0 on ones and 110 will convert into tens. Now add tens. 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now add hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So it means Mazhar read 370 pages over the weekend. So students, hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now your homework is to attempt page number 33, 34 and 35 on your book. Thank you.